Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to download and enable mods in Project Zomboid. First, open Steam and go to your library. Select Project Zomboid, then click the Workshop tab underneath the Big Play button. This opens the list of Steam Workshop mods made by the community. Next, find a mod you want. It could be new items, vehicles, graphics tweaks, or quality of life improvements. On the Mods Workshop page, click Subscribe. Steam will automatically download the mod files for you the next time Project Zomboid starts. Once you have subscribed to one or more mods, launch Project Zomboid. From the main menu, click Mods. You'll see all subscribed mods listed here. Enable the ones you want by clicking on the Enable button on the right side of the mod info window. Then press back to apply or confirm. After enabling mods, start your game or load a save. Some mods take effect immediately, but others may change what spawns in your world or require you to visit a new area to see content. If a mod doesn't work, check that it's compatible with your game build. For example, Build 42 mods won't work on Build 41. If you're playing on a multiplayer server, make sure your server is configured to use the same mods. This usually means adding each mod's workshop ID and mod ID into the server settings so the server and client match. And that's how you download and enable mods in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.